When handling protected health information, PHI, it's important to follow best practices to ensure privacy and compliance with regulations like HIPAA. Here are some key guidelines. Number 1. Authorization and consent. Obtain written authorization from patients before using or disclosing their PHI, unless it's for treatment, payment, or healthcare operations. Number 2. Minimum necessary. Only use or disclose the minimum amount of PHI necessary to accomplish the intended purpose. Avoid unnecessary sharing of sensitive information. Number 3. Security measures. Implement strong security measures to protect PHI, including encryption, access controls, and regular system audits. This helps prevent unauthorized access or breaches. Number 4. Training. Train your staff to understand HIPAA rules, the importance of PHI confidentiality, and the proper procedures for handling and sharing PHI. Number 5. Business associates. If you work with third-party vendors who handle PHI, sign business associate agreements, BAAs, to ensure they also comply with HIPAA regulations. Number 6. Individual rights. Inform patients of their rights regarding their PHI, including the right to access, amend, and restrict the use of their information. See the NPP for more details. Number 7. Incident response. Have a plan in place to respond to data breaches or unauthorized disclosures. This includes notifying affected individuals and appropriate authorities as required by law. Number 8. Documentation. Maintain clear and accurate records, such as a log or accounting, of all PHI disclosures, including the purpose, date, and parties involved. Number 9. Secure communications. Use secure communication methods, example, encrypted emails, when transmitting PHI to prevent unauthorized access during transmission. Number 10. Retention and disposal. Establish policies for retaining PHI for the required period and secure methods for disposing of it when it's no longer needed. Number 11. Risk assessment. Regularly assess potential risks to the security and confidentiality of PHI and take steps to mitigate those risks. Number 12. Privacy officer. Appoint a designated privacy officer to oversee and enforce compliance with HIPAA regulations within your organization. Remember that these guidelines are not exhaustive and may vary depending on your specific situation. It's important to stay updated on any changes to HIPAA regulations and consult legal and compliance experts to ensure your department/organization is fully compliant.